Okay, how to remove audio from a video clip using Openshot free video editor in less than 2 minutes. So here we go. Come down here, I'll grab a clip, there we are, drop it into the project file and bring it down onto the timeline. Now, if I play it, you'll hear music. I want to remove that music. There's two ways. First way, I will come down to the beginning of the clip, come down here in the properties, volume, double click and enter 0 and hit enter. Now the volume is now down to 0, you can't hear a thing. But the audio track's still there, and I'll prove it. All we need to do is go back to the beginning, double click on volume and set it back to 1. And the music's back. So it was there all along, just quiet. But we can remove it completely. We right click on it, move up to separate audio, a single clip, and it drops the audio out. We click on that and hit delete, it's gone. And we now have a silent clip.